Alright guys, so bait of choice today will be 3-inch Senko. Okay, let's see. I want to just jump right here. Let's see. Alright. Let's see if they want to eat today. Okay, a little bit burnness. Okay, it's okay. It's normal. It's normal for BFS. There we go. First one today, baby, on the Senko. Yeah, come to me. Hook set over 9,000, baby. Ooh, it's pulling me around, huh? Okay, I see you. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah, it's a nice one, baby. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. That Senko right there. Try a different color this time. Something more natural. See if they really like actually. Oh my god, it does make a big difference. Holy shit. First cast too. Oh my god. Oh shoot. I guess they do want that different color too. I don't know why, but don't ask me why, but they do. Alright, it's a nice one too. Okay. Oh my god, I lost my Senko too. Holy shit. Lost my Senko. Oh well. Alright, got him good. Was that a hit? Oh my god, I think that might be. There we go. Oh. Come on. Oh my god, this is a fighter, dude. It's pulling drag like crazy. See my raw loading up, guys? Mine has a white tip, so you guys might not see it as a good. Oh my god, this is a good one. Holy shit. This is a good one right here. Fuck. Dude, this is definitely a good one right here. I'm not gonna lie. Dude. Dude. Come on, come on, come on. This is a good one, dude. It is a pretty good one too. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Oh. Well, I thought it was a good one. It's not that bad. It's decent. A little bit chunkier than the other one. We on that Senko, man. Alright, guys, I'm gonna do one more cast on the Senko and then I'm gonna jump into Castmaster. It's getting too boring right now. I had a lot of hits, but too many miss, you know. Like I say, 3-inch Senko is pretty damn big for trouts, you know. I mean, they could eat it, but you just gotta give them some time, you know. Especially like using a small hook, like size 6 or 4. There we go. Jesus. Oh, it's a jumper too. Okay. It's not bad. Oh, it's not bad, not bad, not bad at all, not bad at all. Oh shoot, come back over here, come back. Oh my god, this one's a fighter, dude. I swear to God. Come here. Ah, there we go. Jesus Christ, finally. Oh my god. It took forever, man. I know where they're at now. Okay. Jesus. This wind though, man. There we go. ate it pretty damn good too. Okay, this guy ate it hella good. Look at that. See that right here too. Everywhere around here. Oh, this one. There we go. Jesus Christ. It's a nice one too, man. Jigs, man. I knew it all along. Alright, we're just gonna throw this one back in. I already got 4. Notorious jig, guys. As always. Alright, get my plier. Yeah, this guy choked it, man. Look at that, Notorious Jigs. Let this one go. Okay, there it goes. Okay, I guess these trout start jumping. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, it feels so small now. It was fighting pretty damn hard earlier. Oh my god. Damn, this guy's fighting pretty damn hard. Finally. Notorious Jigs. Choked it too, man. I'm not sure you guys see that. Look at that. All the way in. Okay, let's get this one off and get this one getting going. Come on, stop moving. Look at that. Look at that. Choked it. Go. Oh my god, they're jumping over there now. Holy shit. Come on, stop turning me around, kayak. Oh my god, I got one already. Holy shit. I didn't feel a bit. I was gonna roll it in and make another cast, and it's already on. Oh my god. This kayak, stop turning, please. This is a good size tool right here. Man, ate it good too, man. Okay, I wasn't expecting that to hit. But anyways, guys, look at that. Choked it. Notorious, man. Look at that. Damn. Oh my god, I just got hit. Oh, shit, there you go. Wow, who would have known they were there? I wasn't even expecting that. Okay. Oh my god, not a good size too. Dude, this one's a lot better. Oh my god. Guys, look at that. Notorious, guys. Damn, they're eating it like crazy. Let's get this thing out. And then let this one go. Alright. Release on this one. Come on. Get going.